Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to plant ginseng roots. Start by picking a shaded site with rich loam and uniform drainage, then test pH and adjust to slightly acidic levels. Clear the area of competing vegetation, add well-rotted leaf mold or compost, and till lightly to mix amendments. Mark planting rows to maintain spacing and avoid compacting the soil to protect delicate roots during the first establishment season. Sow stratified seeds or set crowns with gentle handling to avoid root damage, keeping seeds shallow for root emergence. Position each root or seed with natural orientation and avoid deep burial, then firm the soil lightly to eliminate air pockets. Maintain consistent spacing to reduce disease risk and allow good airflow, and water newly planted areas gently to settle soil without washing seeds away, aiming for steady, even moisture until established. Mulch beds with a thick layer of leaf litter to replicate a forest floor and to retain moisture while controlling weeds naturally. Install simple deer fencing and slug traps, inspect regularly for fungal leaf spots, and remove infected material promptly to limit spread. Feed lightly with balanced organic amendments if growth is weak, and remember that ginseng matures slowly, so expect to wait multiple seasons for a full, harvestable root that rewards careful tending.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.